Welcome to the spiral stair video revisited, timer started. I had a project right here. I needed to build some spiral stairs, and I got a little lazy at first, and I said, well, shoot, the Chief has spiral stairs in the library. I'll just pull up those, and there they are. And, of course, they never quite work because they don't. I have 9-foot plates downstairs, and this is designed for something else, and it just never seems to work. So I thought, well, I threw it in there at first, and I said, I'll do it right. So then I built this set of spiral stairs right here. And this set of spiral stairs is actually made out of a circular staircase. This one right here. And you can see I have a stringer on the left, a stringer on the right, and I have a stringer actually in the middle. And you know, if you have a stringer in the middle, if you walk up there, you're going to bump your head. And it's not right, but I did it. I threw it together, and it was pretty simple. And then I've actually evolved into probably something closer to the Joe Carrick stairs, and here they are right here. And these don't have stringers. This one right here was made out of circular stairs. This one was made out of psolids and the handrail from a circular stair. So I'm going to show you how I did all that. First of all, I go to my floor plan, and I'm up on the second floor, and I have a deck here. I have to figure out how many treads I want to do. So Alt, hit my stair button, hold down the Alt buttons because I'm going to go down. And I go down, and the stairs, they should, oh, God. Here, look at the stairs. Oh, 7 and, 15, I ain't right again. I swear to God, man. What did I have? I had 16 treads last time. Oh, maybe I changed it. A lock number of treads, and I'm going to have 16. I think I went with 16, yeah, because, yeah, 7 and 3/8. I thought it was 7 5/8. Oh, well, I'm always wrong. I'm always wrong, but that's okay. So, I mean, I think I just figured out. I think I made them out of 7 5/8. Maybe it was 7 3/8. Well, let me look at these stairs. I'm Jesus. I guess, you know, I make so many mistakes. It's a wonder I get anything done. There it is right there. I probably built it wrong again. Ugh. I think for some reason I can't read my writing, and I wrote down 7 3/8, and I read it 7 5. Bottom line is here. I just figured out how many treads I'm going to have. I'm going to have 16 treads. They're going to be 7 3/8 inch risers, so I have 17 risers. Oh, that's right. I had it right. But I was using 7 5/8. Anyway, so there you go. So now I know the composition of my stairs, treads, risers, and what have you, right? So now I need to build that set of stairs. So now I come to, and remember the template plan I talked about? Template stair spiral. Yeah. And so this is just a template plan that I'm going to keep in my folder. So if I want to make more spiral stairs, I come here as a starting point, H, just to take a look at it. And I think, here we go. This is it. This is the first run of stairs. I think that's the first run. Yeah, 8 treads. Now, here's the key. When you have circular stairs, they cannot overlap each other. So because there's such a change in height, you need to build 2 sets of stairs because it actually wraps around it on top of each other. Some of the treads actually stack on top of the others. So to build this, you got to build it out of 2 sections. As I said, I needed 16 treads. So this one right here, U, has 8 treads. This one should have 8 treads, but it has 9 treads, and this is the reason why. Because of the stringer and whatever, the 8th tread and the 9th tread overlap each other. They're one and the same, if you understand what I'm saying. And it has to do with the stringer in this particular case. If I didn't do this, I would have had a gap in this orange stringer when I connected one to the other. Because what I did is, here, I'll show you what I did. Okay, so this is how I put a post to there. I gave you 8 treads. This is the first part of my spiral stairs. 270 degrees. 3, 6, 9, 9 treads, okay? There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, here it is. This is the one. This is over here. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's the 9 treads. And then this one over here has 7. That's the way it worked. Yeah, 7 or 8 or whatever it is. 9, 7, 16, whatever. So I built these 2 sets of stairs, okay? Boy, man, am I just terrible. And then what I did is I converted this into a symbol, and I converted this into a symbol. And so if I open up a new plan, here they are, spiral stairs, 9 treads. This is the bottom. Boop. And 8 treads, this is going to be the top, right? So if you take a look at this thing, H, there they are. And now it's a simple, it's a matter of rotating them around until they, what do I have to raise this up? 80.6, I think, 91.5, and I forgot how much I had to raise it up. 86 inches, about 86 inches. And now you stack them on top of each other, so that this first tread on the upper riser, upper stairs, stacks right on top of this. They're one and the same. And once I did that, I'll show you what I ended up with. This is it. H. There it is. That is actually a symbol. I put this together, took an overview, and converted that into a symbol. And this is what I got. Now, when you make these stairs, it's important to assign a different material to each component. You know, the treads are green, and the stringers are orange, and pickets are purple, and these are blue. So when you come back, if you want to change some materials, you can. You can select what materials you want to change. Now, of course, this wasn't a very good one because it's got this extra stringer in the middle and stuff. But I just kind of threw this together. I wasn't thinking very clearly. So then I thought, well, shoot, man, what's the poop here? Why am I making such a big deal about this? So I went back to my template plan, template stair spiral floor plan, this right here. And what is that? Tab. What's that, a symbol? That should be a set of stairs. U. Yeah, that's a set of stairs, and this is a set of stairs. Well, then what I decided to do was I'm just going to make it out of psolids. So I took this, and this is my center line. I'm just going to work with that. Copy it over here. Boop, tab, minus, 180? Perfect. 180. Okay, now, F6. Oh boy, look at all that mess. What do I have? W, F6. So, I think this is what I've done. I've just built my pole, and I know how tall my pole is. And now I go a K to make a circle. 5 foot diameter, U, 5 foot, 60 inches, 9 to center here, 9 to center here, perfect. Now all I need to do is build a tread. Is that right? Yeah, that's about right, yeah. So now I'm going to build a tread. Come out here 5 foot and down. Pull this in like this. It needs to be a 30-degree angle, 1530 right there. Take this 2 to parallel, and then 3 to break right here. Pull this like this. Arc this, and now I'm making my tread. I'm making my first tread right there. Now I got to turn it into a psolid. Turn it into a psolid. Boop. Polyline solid. I know I want it to be minus 8 inches above the ground, just because I just know, and it's 2 inches thick. But now I really want that first tread to be a 7 3/8 inch riser. So I raise this up, 7 3/8, perfect. Now you can see I should have my first, oh boy, this post, U. Elevation thickness, elevation at top, because I want this to be minus 8. So I just have to drop it down 8 inches. Minus 8. There. So I got this sitting right on the, it's actually sitting on the ground. My slab is at 0. My grade is at minus 8, so there it is. So now I want to create a bunch of those things. I need 16 of them, right? So I put a CAD point right there in the center. I want to copy this many times. Do I want this to have a fill? What do you think? Fill? Yeah, let me give it a fill. I think I want to have a fill. Solid. Now I want to copy this thing. I want to raise it. I want to raise each one up 7 3/8 inches, and I want timer up. I want 15 more of them because I want a total of 16, and I want to rotate it 30 degrees around the current point. Here we go. There, you got them all. Okay, piece of cake, right? And I think these are all unique. I'll give it a different material. Where's my materials? Materials. I think this is colors. Is that colors? Yeah, generic. How about green? This one. All I'm in the room. Boop. All I'm on the floor. There. All right. Now I've got it. Okay. Perfect. I got my set of stairs. I'm missing my handrail, right? So this is all I do though. I just take this, Control C, Control New, open up a new plan. Here it is. 6 to paste in place, H to look at it. Now there it is. You can see it right here, right? Choop. Tools, symbol, convert to symbol, fixtures, interior, okay, stair, spiral, 16 T's, 7 3/8. That's good enough for me. 1. Oh, how about no rail? Okay, perfect. Now it's in here, right? Now comes the tough part. And I don't know how to do this other than what I'm gonna show you right now. W. No, I want to save it. As I said, I had already made this set of stairs. Control New. I already made the set of stairs, remember? It's this one right here. And this one was actually made out of H. This was actually made out of a staircase. And, you know, if you build it out of a staircase, you get your handrail. Well, all I want is the handrail. So all I did is I took the surface delete tool and I started deleting surfaces. This took about five minutes to delete all these surfaces except for the handrail. You get what I'm doing right here? See this? See, I'm getting rid of all those things. It takes about 5 minutes to get rid of all this. I'm not going to go through the whole process. But eventually, once you get rid of all these surfaces, now you can create a symbol out of it. Just convert to symbol. And W, don't save. And I'll show you what I ended up with. Control New, new plan. Spiral stair. There it is. This is what I get after I delete all those surfaces and create a symbol out of it. And now it's simply a matter of W. Now it's just simply a matter of taking this thing, H. You see what I got? Now I just put one on top of the other. So let's see how quickly I can do that. Boop, over here. Now here's the trick. Here's the bad part of this. How about W? 9 to center, 9 to center, 9 to center, 9 to center, H, there it is. I think that that needs to be raised up 7 5/8, 7 3/8, sorry, 3/8, bump, and now I need to rotate it around. Oh, I better do this in, I think I have to do this in plan view, okay? I don't want that anymore. Here it is right here. I think that's the stairs. U. Yes, it is. So I want to CAD point, place point right in the center. Now I want to rotate this minus 180. You think that's close? Oh, magic. Ain't it magic? There it is right there, man. Oh, I got to just rotate a little bit less. Take this, rotate. I went, what did I do? Minus 180. Now I want to go 2 degrees. How about one more? One more degree. Boop. That's pretty good. Pretty darn good. Everything's made out of a different material. I can always, oh, you think it's good? Yeah. All those pickets. And of course you can design these things. Now this has a double thing because this is where the 2 treads overlapped at one time, right? Well, I could probably do that better next time because I don't need to overlap the treads because of whatever I'm doing. And there you go. And now oh, it's still not the right height though, is it? Move it. Move it down. How about minus 1? Minus 2. 0.5. 0.25. That's, yeah. Oh, I know. I made these. I made these these treads using a 7 5/8 inch rise, so it's not perfect. Yeah, it's not perfect. Tough. I should probably build this again if I wanted to do it right. But anyway, there you go. So that's really the way I think I'm going to build stairs. Now, what I would like to do, I'm going to just goof around here a little bit. Now, here's the deal. I don't know how to build that the curving rail going up. And if you'll notice, it's built out of a bunch of segments. Boop, 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 boop. And it's not curved, right? Well, I think I'm going to live with that until I know how to do it. I mean, I'm going to have to live with it. But give me a second. I'm going to think. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to see if I can build the handrail real quick. So I built an arc right here, okay? The radius is, what is the radius? I already made the radius 26 inches. It's a 5-foot diameter stairs, so it's 2'6", 30 inches. It should be 28 inches. You know, just 2 inches in from the end, I guess. Maybe it's even less. How about 29? Nah, how about 30? How about 29? Just because I want to. Now I'm going to convert that into a 3D molding polyline. And I'm going to, the molding is going to be, I'll make it square. A circle would be better, but I'm going to make it square because I don't think Chief likes circles too much. If you get too many of them, I think it's a problem. So now I think you should see, there it is right there, my handrail. Now, I tried this a minute ago and it worked, but now I can't seem to get it to work, and that is, if I lock the start, I want the end to rise up. I don't know. How about, 30 inches? How about 22 inches? There, it worked. Oh, no, it didn't. I know what happened. The radius changed. See, I think I should be able to do this, but I can't. Oh, now maybe do I just rechange the radius, you think? Lock center, radius. I want it to be 29 inches. Radius, 29 inches. All right, cancel. All right, this time what I'm going to do is delete. I'm going to make one more. I'm going to do it one more time. E to make an arc. Curve it in like this. Turn it into a 3D molding polyline. I don't know if this is going to really work for me. And I'm going to change the. I'm going to lock the start. I'm going to raise up the end 7 feet. Okay. I don't know. I don't know if this worked. Oh, maybe it did. Now I'm going to go U. Lock the chord. Change the radius to 30 inches. Change the radius to 30 inches. Can't do it. arc, end, center, cancel. I don't know what I'm doing. U. Okay, JPC, I know. I'm looking kind of dumb. Looking dumb, good buddy. So I want that to be 84 inches. So if I change this arc, what do you think happens? It changes the radius. Cancel. So that ain't going to work. U. So what do I lock? What do I do? Just lock the center? Lock the center? Oh, yeah. Okay, lock the center. Maybe lock the... Oh, this won't change it, though. I already tried. Oh, yeah, maybe... Oh, this stuff changed. Start as cancel. Look, I want the end of this thing to stay right where it's at, and I want the... Oh, what do you think about that? Oh. Oh, maybe it's right at the way it is, you big ninny. Maybe it's right. Now, it's just... No, it's not right. Let me try this one more time. E. So I turn this like this, turn into a 3D molding polyline. Molding is, how about 2 and 2? U, the radius is selected arc. I want the radius to be 30 inches. Okay, U. Now I want to change the slope. I want to change this. I want to lock the start. I want to change the Z. I want to raise it up. I don't know. 6 feet? 72? I don't know. Joe Carrick probably knows how to do this, and he's laughing at me. Why is it such a big radius? You know what I'm saying? I can't do it. The best way to do it is make your stupid, someone can maybe explain it to me, but I can't change this thing. Can I? Now I'm going back to, now I'm going to lock the chord. Radius is 30. Radius is, I want to lock the chord? I thought I could lock the chord. I can't lock the chord. How about if I lock the, what do I want to lock? 30? Maybe that worked. Oh, fuck it. I don't know. Anybody know how to do this? You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying. Hey, forget it. That's it. I'm done. So that's kind of cool.